Imagine a perfectly straight tree, tall and proud with branches that gracefully balance on both sides. This isn't just any tree, this is the Chokkan style of bonsai, also known as the formal upright style. It's one of the most popular bonsai styles, but did you know it has secrets of its own? Today we're diving into the world of Chokkan bonsai with 10 things you probably didn't know. 1. Inspired by nature's giants. The Chokkan style isn't just a product of imagination. It's inspired by real trees found in nature. Trees like pines, cypress, and Japanese maples that grow in forests often develop straight trunks, and the Chokkan style replicates that majestic upright growth. 2. Symbol of strength and stability. The formal upright style has deep symbolic meaning. It represents strength, stability, and resilience. Some cultures believe a Chokkan bonsai brings positive energy to a space, symbolizing upright character and integrity. 3. The perfect tapered trunk. A classic Chokkan bonsai has a thick, straight trunk that gradually tapers towards the top. This tapering effect is no accident. It's achieved by carefully pruning the trunk over years, giving the tree a sense of age and maturity. 4. The branches follow a precise pattern. Chokkan bonsai trees are all about structure. The branches follow a precise alternating pattern, with each branch slightly smaller as it goes up the trunk. This creates a balanced and symmetrical look, essential for the formal upright style. 5. Training a Chokkan bonsai takes patience. Creating a perfect Chokkan is a labor of love. It can take years, even decades, of careful pruning, wiring, and patience to achieve the refined, formal look. Some bonsai artists work on a single tree for generations. 6. Wiring is key to get those perfectly balanced branches. Bonsai artists use a technique called wiring. The branches are wrapped with wire and gently bent into place. Over time, the tree learns this shape, which is essential for creating the formal look of Chokkan. 7. Root structure matters. Not only does the trunk need to look strong, but the roots do too. In the Chokkan style, roots are typically spread evenly in all directions to provide a sense of balance and strength. This also helps anchor the tree visually, giving it that grounded look. 8. The ideal Chokkan pot is simple and elegant. The pot for a Chokkan bonsai is usually rectangular and simple, without elaborate designs. This minimalist pot allows the focus to stay on the tree's structure and shape, rather than distracting from its beauty. 9. A true Chokkan is rare in nature. Trees don't naturally grow perfectly straight unless they're in ideal conditions with no major wind, snow, or shade issues. So when you see a Chokkan bonsai, it's actually a miniature fantasy, a perfected vision of what a tree would look like in an ideal world. 10. It's the foundation of bonsai styles. Many bonsai artists start by learning the Chokkan style because it teaches the fundamentals: symmetry, balance, patience, and technique. Once you master Chokkan, you're prepared to try more complex and creative bonsai styles. The Chokkan style of bonsai isn't just a beautiful miniature tree, it's a testament to the skill and patience of bonsai artists worldwide. Next time you see a Chokkan, you'll know it's more than meets the eye. And who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to start your own bonsai journey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the Chokkan style of bonsai, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite bonsai style, or let me know if there's another bonsai topic you'd like me to cover. If you're passionate about bonsai or just starting out, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep growing and happy bonsai. Thanks for watching.